Good morning, everyone. So recently, I found one stock that is having recently the breakout in this today's morning. So I'll show you how I draw and what's the target behind this. So basically, if you talk about the stock that is Som Distillery and Brew Limited, that is SDBL. So recently, if you've seen over here, so it's under the trend line in the downtrend, and recently in the morning, so now the price just break down the level previously in couple of hours back. If we talk about from the 22nd March, so it tried to break the trend line, but now in the morning, it break the level of 270, and now it is trailing at 278 to 280 level. So that's the trend on breakout. And if you've seen the supply zone, so here is the supply zone from the range of 250 to 240 range. And if you ask me the set targets, so the targets will be pretty simple. So here is the resistance, so that's the 300 is my first target, and then we have the 340 target, and then 380. So if that breaks the 380 levels, and then probably it will be the all-time high, that is the 440. So currently the all-time high is 380, 390. So once it break, then probably our target will be 440. So it gives you probably chance of gaining the results of 30 to 40% at least in 3 to 4 months. So the holding the investment for 3 to 4 months, especially until the peak summer. Because see, if I talk about the company news, first I'll talk about the company news, then I'll tell you the company overview, then technical analysis, and then fundamental analysis. So company view is in a post market exchange filing on the Wednesday. The liquor manufacturer announced that its board of director will convenes on Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024, to deliberate and sanction the subdivision split. So the share will be split by the face value of 5 in the exchange. So probably there is a chances that the stock will be priced trailing at 55 rupees or 60 rupees. But let's wait what's the price at 2nd April. Now, if I talk about the company overview, basically the SDBL stands out in the market with a diversified range of alcohol beverages, including the beer, rum, brandy, vodka, and whiskey. So their main brand is Hunter Beer and Black Forest, Power Cool, Woodpecker, and these kind of products they are selling. So basically, if I talk about one more thing, that is like they are also working on the hand sanitizer. So I think they have the sanitizer, so you can go and check out their products as well in their site. Now I'll tell you about the technical analysis. So in the technical analysis, if I go back and I'll show you the back testing, so you can see over here in December 2022, like the price range are consolidating. The price is little bit consolidating, and here once it break out, so it break out at the end of March or early April. So once this breakout, then we have seen a epic range in the buying side. Same if I talk about in the month of 2022, you can see over here it consolidated till March, and then there is a price boom up. So same I'm expecting here as well, because the exchange stock exhibit a pattern of rising during the summer and cool down in winters. So it indicates a potential history repeats itself a pattern. I have tested around back testing of 3 to 4 years, so you can go and check out the trend analysis and then invest in this stock. Now if I talk about some fundamental analysis, so basically shareholding patterns, the promoters increased their shareholding patterns from 34.5% to 34.73% in the December 2023, and that's the good news, good indication that promoters are in a good thinking that company will rise soon. And if I talk about some financial performance, so the company has sustained profitability on the last 2 3 quarters, which earning around 15 to 20 crores per quarter. Although there is a slight uh, decline in the compared to the June 2023, anticipating an upward in the price following the June or July quarter result, potentially up to 20 to 30% uh, gaining from this level. So Now the important note from my side, like this analysis is provided information purpose only and does not contains a direct recommendation to buy or sell the stock. Investors should conduct their own research and consult with the financial advisor before making any investment. This is the serious note that market where it is standing right now, market is in direction or it is range bound. So it's hard money that you earned from yourself. So make decision as per your investment and as per your budget. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video.